Hey foodies, today I'm taking you on a culinary journey across Canada, and trust me, you're gonna love it. Let's dive into some of the most famous Canadian dishes you absolutely need to try cooking at home. First up, we have poutine, crispy golden fries topped with rich gravy and squeaky cheese curds. It's the ultimate comfort food and oh so easy to make. Just bake your fries, whip up a quick gravy and sprinkle on those curds. Voila! A Canadian classic right in your kitchen. Next, butter tarts. These little beauties are a sweet treat you can't miss. Flaky pastry filled with a gooey, buttery filling. Some like them with raisins, others with pecans. Either way, they're absolutely scrumptious. And then Nanaimo bars. Named after the city of Nanaimo in British Columbia, these no-bake bars are a triple-layer delight. A crumbly base, creamy custard filling, and a smooth chocolate topping. Perfect for satisfying that sweet tooth. Of course, we can't forget about Torr. This French-Canadian meat pie is a holiday favorite. But why wait? Spiced ground pork, beef, or veal encased in a buttery crust. It's hearty, savory, and packed with flavor. Finally, maple syrup pie. If you haven't tried this yet, you're missing out. Made with pure Canadian maple syrup, it's sweet, rich, and absolutely divine. So there you have it, folks. 5 iconic Canadian dishes you need to cook. Give them a try and bring a taste of Canada into your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious recipes. Catch you in the next one.